Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to make use out of the Quick Search tool in ACDSee. Searching using the Quick Search tool looks over all the images in your database and scans for criteria related to what you're searching for. If I navigate to Tools and Options, under Manage Mode you can see the Quick Search section here. This gives me a much better idea of what ACDSee references for criteria when searching. For example, my search currently brings up images based on their file name, ACDSee metadata, IPTC metadata, categories, keywords, AI keywords, and people. Further, I can search for assigned names, suggested names, and a combination of both. So, when I'm searching with all of the search fields listed, I can confidently say that I'm searching for any criteria. I can, at any point, remove criteria if I want to refine my search methods. The little ellipses that appear next to the search bar will allow me to change not what my quick search searches for, but how it searches for it. Currently, I have my search set to contains any, and what I'll do is I'll provide a little link in the description that explains what each of these methods means. Let's add the word landscape to the quick search bar. By searching for landscape, all images come up that contain any of the searched word. This includes images with the title of landscape, but also any image that has the landscape keyword or category added to it as well. Currently, if I add a new search term, the search term would replace what is being presented to me in the preview window. However, I can use this little sieve icon here to search for a new word while still using the search results from my landscape query. For example, let's add the word ocean, but ensure to turn on this little icon so it searches the file list rather than the whole database. Now, when I search ocean, this current list will be refined. I can search once again to further refine this selection. Let's add the word beach. Now, what appears in the preview window is the legacy of all three of these searches combined. This tool is a really good way to refine selections. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like, click the bell icon. That'll notify you when we upload new videos.